Hey, Coach Craig here at Svelte Training, and today we have a standing belly fat workout for you. This is going to be, as I said, completely standing, so grab some water. You and I are gonna have some fun. Let's get right to it. We have 30 seconds on the clock, and we are doing standing crunches. We go in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Stand up nice and tall, hands behind your head. We're bringing one knee up as we crunch over. Boom. You're pulling from your lower abs while at the same time activating your upper abs. You can pause for a second there to really get that squeeze. Boom. Try to let your leg do most of the work. We're trying to bring up our leg instead of just crunching over like this. I mean, it works, but you kind of want them to work in tandem. There it is, one more, and down. Next, we have some bicycles. Same position, hands behind your head. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. But this time we're focusing on bringing one elbow to the opposite knee, focusing on those obliques, baby. There it is. Drive that knee up as high as you can. Meet it with your elbow. You can stand a little wider. Just gives you more of a solid base. And just crunch. And if you want, focus on that squeeze. When you're at the top or in this position, squeeze so you can feel it. It's not necessarily about speed, but about that intensity. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, and down. We're gonna take a little bit of a break there. We're gonna focus on our obliques. We have bow extensions, feet past shoulder width apart. We want 30 seconds on the clock, and here we go. Hands together, overhead. We're just bending from side to side. Really feel that stretch in your side body. There it is. Make sure you're breathing. You want it to be as long as possible. We want it all the way down. Push the ground away with your feet. There it is. And then breathe. And down. Great job. Last, we have side leg raises. We'll just alternate between left and right. Get yourself a nice stable base. We go in 3, 2, 1. We're just bringing our leg out to the side. You're gonna feel it in your glutes, in your side of your body, as well as your obliques. There it is. You can alternate, or you can do 15 seconds one side, 15 seconds the next. I like to bend whatever knee is down, or whatever leg is down, rather. Try not to kick the equipment. There it is. Keep that blade of your foot parallel with the ground. We're not trying to turn out like this. Boom, pull from here. Let's do one more. And we got it. There you go. Have it. Those are your 4 exercises. Grab some water if you need to, but we're gonna get started with set number 2 right now. Standing crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops. Bicycles, 3, 2, 1, go. Bow extension, 3, 2, 1, go. Side leg raises, 3, 2, 1, go. There you have it, second set done. Again, grab some water if you feel like it, but we got one more to go. Let's finish strong. You got this. We go right now.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Bicycles, 3, 2, 1, go. Bow extension, 3, 2, 1, go. Side leg raises, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was your standing belly fat workout. Give yourself one of these and one of these because you earned it, my friend. Thank you so much for joining us on this workout. Hopefully I will see you in the next video. But again, if you haven't, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new workouts coming from Coach Gabby, Coach Mayor, and Coach Greg. That is me. We got plenty of different types of workouts for all your needs, all your desires. We just want to be a small part of your health and fitness journey. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you later. Have fun, my friend. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.